Mumbai. Because for the last few days, Mumbai has been in turmoil, not for any other reason but the Maratha reservation activists who've swarmed across the city. Well, today, some kind of a solution appeared to be found, with the Maharashtra government almost conceding to the demand of the reservationists, saying that they will give them Kunbi OBC status. The leader of the Maratha agitation, Manoj Jarange Patil, has called off his agitation for now, but the question remains, why was this agitation allowed in the first place to reach boiling point? Take a look.
Mumbai's Azad Maidan erupted in celebration on Tuesday evening as Maratha Kota activist Manoj Jarange Patil ended his hunger strike on the fifth day. Jarange Patil accepted the Maharashtra government's draft resolution on the implementation of Maratha Kota on the basis of Hyderabad Gazette. Once implemented, it will grant Kumbi status to all Marathas from Marathwada region. Out of Jarange Patil's 8 demands, 6 were accepted. He welcomed the resolution, calling it a victory. He also announced that protesters would vacate Azad Maidan once the government issues the official order.
मराठा विजय झाला, आज विजय झाला, सुखी झाला.
In 1918, Hyderabad Gazette, issued by the Nizam-era government, documents several communities, including many from the Maratha community, in what is now Marathwada as Kunbis, a recognized OBC category in Maharashtra. Historically, the Maratha community held a strong presence in the Hyderabad state with representation in both administration and employment. The Nizam's government officially categorized Marathas as Kunbis, granting them reservation benefits in education and jobs through a formal order. The Gazette formally documents that the Maratha community has historically been socially and educationally backward. This is why Manoj Jarange Patil is not only demanding implementation of the Hyderabad Gazette, but also recognition of similar records from the Satara and Bombay Gazettes. While the government has agreed to implement the Hyderabad Gazette immediately, it has asked for a month's time to process the Satara and Pune Aundh Gazette, citing legal hurdles. Additionally, the government has agreed to withdraw all pending cases filed against Maratha protesters during the agitations of 2023 and 2024.
देखिए, मैं हमेशा ये मानता हूँ कि आप राजनीति में हो तो कभी लोग आपको दुआ देते, कभी आपको लोग गाली देते, कभी आपको माला पहनाते, कभी आपको पत्थर भी मारते, लेकिन मैंने पहले दिन से भूमिका रखी कि हम लोग कहीं पर भी मराठा और ओबीसी ऐसा विवाद नहीं होने देंगे.
The demand for quota isn't without controversy. Some believe a faction within the current Maharashtra government supports Jarange Patil's movement and is actively pushing for Maratha reservation. On the other hand, some OBC leaders within the NDA are opposed to Maratha quota.
हम लोगों के ऊपर अन्याय ना हो, नहीं तो हमारे ओबीसी भी जो है अलग घटक जो है वो कोई भी उपोषण कर रहा है, जो मोर्चे निकाल रहा है, और हम भी अभी उसी भी रास्ते पे जो है बिल्कुल शांति के साथ हम अपना विरोध जो है गवर्नमेंट और लोगों के सामने प्रदर्शित करेंगे.
Minister Chhagan Bhujbal has objected to including Marathas in the OBC quota. While the truce marks the end of Jarange's hunger strike, the reservation battle is far from over. The existing 10% quota for Kunbis is already under challenge in courts. Bureau Report, India Today.